Need to get paid for your business, but unsure if Moneygram handles invoices directly? Let's break down how to navigate this for smooth transactions. First things first, it's important to clarify that Moneygram is primarily a money transfer service, not an invoicing platform. You can't directly create and send an invoice through your Moneygram account. Moneygram's strength lies in sending and receiving funds quickly and reliably. So, how do you get paid if Moneygram doesn't send invoices? The solution is simple. Create your invoice separately using your preferred invoicing software, a word processor, or a spreadsheet. This is where all the details of your service or product go: itemized lists, quantities, prices, and your business name and contact information. On your invoice, you will then clearly specify that payment can be made via Moneygram. You'll need to provide your customer with the necessary details for them to initiate the transfer. This typically includes your full legal name, as it appears on your ID, and potentially your address. Here's the step-by-step process. 1. Create your professional invoice outlining the services or goods provided to. Clearly state on the invoice that payment can be made via Moneygram, and include your full name as the receiver. 3. Send this invoice to your customer via email or any other preferred method. 4. Your customer then visits a Moneygram agent location or uses the Moneygram app to send the payment to you, using the details you provided on the invoice. Once your customer sends the money, they will provide you with a confirmation number. You can then use this number to track the transaction, and when funds become available, pick them up at a Moneygram location or have them deposited into your bank account, depending on the service you've chosen. By creating your invoices separately and clearly indicating Moneygram as a payment option, you can effectively utilize Moneygram's robust transfer network to get paid for your business transactions. It's a straightforward way to combine professional invoicing with fast, reliable payments.